Hi there, this is Christy, and in this video, I want to talk to you about creating, coloring, and activity books and printables in seconds that you can sell to raving fans. Now, I know that's a really big statement, but I took this software for a spin, and I'm going to show you inside the members area right here. They also have a private Facebook group. And I talked to Amber, and she said they are going to be adding lots more features. So they're just getting started. But in the front end, the main offer, you get an adult coloring generator, kids coloring generator, adult activity book generator, kids activity book generator. And in the deluxe, you get adult activities, kids fantasy activities, and then coloring books for adults and kids. And then the pro version, you get even more. So let's look at the printables. This is the first thing I did. It took me less than 5 minutes. All I did was I went in and I chose template number 4, and they weren't very, very different. So I thought, well, I think I just like this one because of the little boxes. Okay, and this creates 24 pages. So I just chose template 4 and I chose create. And I literally went and did send a message to someone. Okay, so that took like 3 seconds. So the PDF uploaded, and look at this. And it's a dated calendar, which is huge. I mean, I paid someone on Fiverr, I guess it was $75 to make a planner for me. This was like 3 seconds for a dated calendar. And I was like, what? And I told Amber, I said, absolutely love this. This is the sales page right here. And the seconds, yeah, it only took me seconds to do that. So let's create something else because I'm just enjoying, it's like playing right here. And then what I can do is I can take that and I can upload it either to Etsy or to my Shopify store to sell. Okay, so I'm using a new computer, so it's giving me a little trouble here. All right, so I'm gonna, might be because I'm trying to record it. And I'm gonna go back to dashboard. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna do a kids printable because I haven't really looked at this yet. But if you'll click on the link below, I will send you 5 printables from my friend Janice. And then the first email will put you on my newsletter. And then, I will also put a link I will send a link to this in an email so you can see it. Okay, so that one must not be active yet because they're still building the software. So let's do this. Let's do kids coloring animals. Select the number of kids coloring pages you want in your book. All right, I'm going to say 30. I'm going to go big, and I'm going to choose create, and I'm going to see what this looks like, and then you can see what it looks like when you use the software. I've been seeing a lot of people's emails about this. Okay, so that took what? It took like 3 seconds, literally. It's crazy. Look at that. Now, see, I can sell this on my Shopify store. I can give it away as a bonus. I can sell it for $1 to build my email list on my Shopify store. I can sell it on Etsy. Look at that. It's just coloring pages. I can print these out for my grandbabies. That's cute. That's a cute cow. You can also upload these to Amazon. I like the giraffe. Cute. All right, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to see what else we can do. Printables adult. I wonder if it's just the calendar. So let me go to Printables kids. I don't think they have anything in there yet. They're still building this. Activities. Adult Pro. Okay, let's see what this is. How many pages do you want? Let's say 30. So 1001. Okay, that took like 1 second, literally. There it is right there. Oh my gracious. How many words can you find? Using the letters in the game box, how many words can you create with 3 or more letters? A lot of people are uploading these kind of things to Amazon. This is called low content. So I'm going to go all the way down. And the letters are different on each page. It's pretty cool. You could even sell these as like shower games. Very cool. And like I said, this is just the beginning stages of this software. I want to see a kids coloring generator again. Let's see. Let's do 5. So 1001, there it is. Took 1 second. Oh my gracious. All right, 5 coloring pages. Wow. Super cute chicken. It's like a flying dinosaur. So cute. All right, let's try the adult coloring generator. 20. Create. That took about 3 seconds. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. So these are called printables. Printables you make once and you sell them over and over and over and over. So I love that. Okay, so anyway, as I said, they are going to be adding a lot of other things in here. So see, it says more are constantly being added each week. There are currently over 600 plus activity pages, which includes dinosaurs, dragons, and more. Huh. All right, so let's do Kids Fantasy. Let's do 10 pages. Whoop. Create 1001, 1002. That took about 3 seconds. And here we go. Scroll down and see what we got. Grab a friend. We used to do that in the car when we would take long trips when I was a kid. Tic-tac-toe. Dinosaur. Very cool. So that is what this kids and adults activity book generator looks like. And then there's a free Facebook group. And as I said, they are adding more features. It right now is the best price. So click on the link below and I will put a link straight to this page. I'll also put a link for free printables for Janice that makes printables that you will absolutely love. Okay, so that's all for this one. I appreciate you being here. Talk to you soon. Bye now.